Hey, good evening or good morning, wherever you are there. Welcome to term 3 of your class this fall. It's new. I hope things are going well for you. Welcome to our lab. This won't take but a minute. I just like to give the students an idea of what I actually sound like. I know it's not that great, but that way you won't get any misconceptions about me. What you do have here already, well, it went away. Let's see if it still works. Is my contact information, which I would encourage you, if you have any issues at all, once the course starts, to contact me anytime you need to. I would prefer if you want to call, text me first. And I'll be happy to, if I can, answer your questions. If I can't answer them, I'll find out what's up so that we can take care of your business very quickly. I don't really like to get into long text conversations, but I'm happy to answer your questions and schedule a time to either call or something else. We can do that. At any rate, you can read about me there. I hope you find this class entertaining and will learn something out of it. I enjoy the labs very much. One thing just below the welcome I want to encourage you to do very quickly, and that's to go ahead and order your kit from the vendor, Carolina Biological. There's a procedure there to do that, and make sure you get the right one because we obviously move very quickly, and a couple of terms ago we had students get the incorrect one, and I want to make sure everybody gets full credit for everything, so get them in properly. Again, welcome to the class. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll be talking with you soon.